Hi friends, it's Miss Nicole from Big Ideas for Little Learners. Today I'm going to share with you a really fun, easy sensory activity that you can do with things that you have lying around your house. We're going to make sensory bottles. Have you guys ever done that before at school? I know we have at my school. First, you're going to need a plastic water bottle. Any size will do. And you're going to peel the label off, and you might need to have your mom or dad help you with that. As you can see, I didn't get this label off all the way, and that's okay. You're also going to need some treasures. They are sequins, beads, whatever you have at home. I know the boys and girls in my school love to collect these things, and they call them treasures, but they are called sequins, and I even have some beads in here. So you can ask your mom or your dad or whoever's with you today to help you. You can use pom-poms, fuse beads, whatever you have. Little things that you could put into your bottle. Some glitter. Today I have a sparkly silver. A funnel. It's not mandatory, so if you don't have one, that's okay. Water. And some food coloring if you want to. So what you're going to do first is you're going to take your bottle. I'm going to start with the small one. Let me see if you guys can see. Okay. And you're going to take the treasures and you're going to put them in your bottle. You can put as many or as little you want inside. I'm going to do a few more pinches. And it's okay if you spill them, because you can just pick them up and put them back inside, okay? And for this one, I'm going to add a little bit of glitter, and a little bit of glitter will go a long way. I'm just going to put a few. And if you don't have glitter, that's okay too. Next, I'm going to take my funnel. That makes pouring water into the little hole a lot easier. And you can have a grown-up help you do this. And you're going to pour the water in. Keep going there. And you can fill it up all the way or halfway, whatever you want. I'm going to fill it up to there. See? You can see the glitter floating around in there. Then I'm going to take the cap. I'm going to screw it on. Then you can have a grown-up help you make it really tight, so that when you tilt it, you shake it, the water stays inside. These are really fun and really simple to make. Okay, you can see those. This one is all done, so I'm going to move on to the next one. I'm going to use this bigger bottle. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put treasures inside. And because this one's bigger, I'm going to put a lot more treasures inside. I have beads. I have sequins. I think there's some fuse beads in here. So a few more pinches. Hi friends, I'm back again. Sorry my video got cut off earlier. Sometimes technology is really hard. But what I didn't get to show you was, in this bottle I added a drop of blue food coloring. Shook it up. And now you have blue water. You can do color mixing, red and yellow, blue and red, yellow and blue, and see what colors you get. One of the great things this can be used for is hand washing. So what you do is you make sure you have glitter inside this one. And when you need to go wash your hands, like before you eat, after you use the restroom, after you've been outside, take your water bottle, keep it by your sink, and you shake it up. Turn the water on your faucet, get your hands wet and put your soap on, and you scrub it up dub. And when most of the glitter in your bottle has begun to settle at the bottom, that means all the glitter is now starting to sit at the bottom, then it's time to rinse the soap off. And that's how you know you've done a really good job washing your hands. The big water bottle is really good when maybe you're feeling a little angry or frustrated, or maybe you're feeling disappointed. You can take this bottle and shake it up and put it on the nightstand by your bed or somewhere where you feel very happy, and watch all the treasures float around and the glitter sink to the bottom, and that will help you to calm your body. So I hope you enjoyed making these fun bottles with me, and I can't wait to see your own fun sensory bottles. So make sure you drop a video or comment below and let me know, and let all the teachers know. We can't wait to see what you made, and come back for another video today. We'll see you later. Have a good day, boys and girls.